coming from Holland.
Holland.
Hollanda. You know Hollanda?
Hollanda, Netherlands.
Netherlands.
So how was your feeling for 4 days in here?
Feeling, yeah, we first had a big travel to come here.
Oh,
Because we fly from Amsterdam,
uh-huh,
city,
uh-huh,
fly first to Medan,
uh-huh.
that's okay. But then we have to fly another flight, first go to Jakarta. So we go back Medan, Jakarta, and then we have to wait, and then another flight, fly back to Palembang. So it takes for us too long time. It was rescheduled. Oh, it takes too long time. We were a little bit tired. We came here. We couldn't practice the first day because we were too late and the balls were not here. So it starts not too good. But then it's okay. It's a nice center, nice city, and people are always helpful and nice and smiling, and that's the Asian people like that. So coming before I was in Asia, it's always I like Asia because the food I like the weather because it's always more hot than in Europe. Now it's winter in my country. It's maybe 5 degrees, and here it's about 30. I like this.
So how many athletes from Netherlands?
Yeah, just like all the countries. We got one girl and one boy.
One.
All the countries, maximum
must be-
2 people, one girl, one boy.
So where's the girl athletes? Now?
Yeah, the girl has to play now.
Oh,
She's only
play
lane 2. She's after the third
So how old
squad.
is she? How
Huh?
old?
How old? She's 22.
20.
young girl. Young girl, we have a young girl. She just started a little bit, come better. Now she plays as well good here.
How the boys? How old is he?
Yeah, the first day was difficult, but now she plays good. She's a little bit up, and she doing a good job.
On the Sunday you will come back to Netherlands?
Sunday is it's the last day. We go back Saturday night. We got the banquet,
Oh, Saturday.
and then from
night.
Sunday we go back to our country.
So do you want to go traveling in the area, in this area in Palembang?
Now it's difficult. We only become very narrow schedule, just only for the tournament. Come here, practice first day, and then bowling the whole day. Start 9 in the morning, and then the girls or the boys are playing. We finish at 6 o'clock already, so then you have to eat, makan.
Makan.
So it's
He cannot say language in Indonesian language.
bahasa
Okay.
Indonesia.
Bahasa Indonesia.
No banyak.
No banyak. Can you practice
Before I had girlfriends from
Uh-huh.
Indonesia.
Indonesia?
My father was from Jakarta,
Uh-huh.
Indonesia. My mother was from Hollanda. So together, so a little bit like your nose, a little bit in your eyes, and I was living together for 7 years. So we're eating many makan Indonesia. Yeah, and we go also from holidays to Sumatra, Bukit Toba Lake. Medan we have we go to Java, we make a tour in Java, we go to Bali, we go to